Hi everyone, it's Miss Liz with the Pawpaw District Library, and today we're going to experiment with some animal adaptations that they use to survive. So go ahead and grab your kit and we'll get started. Okay, so I have everything for my bag laid out in front of me, and I'm just going to show you guys what you're going to do with these experiments, okay? So first thing you're going to want to grab is your handy dandy little guide here, okay? This is going to tell you everything that you need to do. The first experiment you're going to do is with camouflage. So you are going to grab this picture, the field of flowers. You're going to lay it down, and then you're going to grab your beads from your bag. And what you're going to do is you're going to spread out your beads all over this picture. And then you're going to stand back, and you're going to see if you can find all of your beads. Is it going to be easy? Is it going to be tricky? What do you think? Try it with a sibling or with a friend too. See if they can find all of them. All right, so that's your first experiment. Your second experiment is with prickles, all right? So how do animals protect themselves? So you're going to grab this sheet here, and this is going to show you some examples of plants and animals that use their prickers to help them survive. So you are going to make your own animal. So you're going to take your cup, you're either going to draw a plant or an animal on here, and then you're going to take your toothpicks and you're going to poke them through your cup. These are going to be your prickers, okay? And then you're going to very carefully try to grab your cup. Is it easy to grab? Does it hurt? That's how animals use this to protect themselves. All right, so that's your second experiment. Your third experiment is with your craft sticks. All right, so you will notice that your craft sticks have been taped. This is going to be an example of an animal with a webbed foot. Think like a duck or something that swims, okay? So you are going to get a little container of water, and you're going to use these like a foot through the water, and you're going to see how it feels, all right? Then you're going to take the tape off of this and do the same thing. Do you notice a difference? All right, I think you will. And the last experiment, this one is probably my favorite. You are going to grab your little packet full of stickers. Now these are special stickers because they are scented. And as you will soon find out, some of them smell really, really good, and some of them downright stink. All right, so you are going to smell each sticker, and you are going to decide if it has a good smell or if it has a bad smell. This is how animals protect themselves. If they don't want to be eaten, sometimes they put out bad smells. If something smells good, they might eat it. All right, so go through all of those experiments and see what you think. All right, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I will see you soon. Bye.